Good morning, students. Next problem is prove that 3 into sin x minus cos x whole power 4 plus 6 into sin x plus cos x whole square plus sin power 6x plus 4 into sin power 6x plus cos power 6x equals to 30. Now in this, first of all, let us consider these terms separately. Consider sin x minus cos x whole square first, and then we will square again. Now this is a minus b whole square. You will get sin square x plus cos square x minus 2 sin x into cos x. Sin square x plus cos square x is 1. So 1 minus 2 sin x into cos x. This is sin x minus cos x whole square. Now sin x minus cos x whole power 4. That will be 1 minus 2 sin x cos x whole square, because sin x minus cos x whole square is 1 minus 2 sin x cos x. So we are squaring that term again. Now this is again a minus b whole square. You will get 1 plus b square, that is 4 sin square x into cos square x minus 2ab. You will get 4 sin x into cos x. Now this is the term sin x minus cos x whole power 4. Now again consider another term. Consider sin x plus cos x whole square. It is a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square is a square plus b square, that is cos square x plus 2 sin x into cos x. Now sin square x plus cos square x is 1. So 1 plus 2 sin x into cos x. Now you have sin x plus cos x whole square is equals to 1 plus 2 sin x cos x. There is another term. So consider this one. So consider sin power 6x plus cos power 6x. Now this can be written as this can be written as sin square x whole cube plus cos square x whole cube. You have a formula a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. A cube plus b cube can be written as a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. So this can be written as, here a is sin square x, b is cos square x. So sin square x plus cos square x whole cube minus 3 sin square x into cos square x into sin square x plus cos square x. So a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. So sin square x plus cos square x is 1. Here also it is 1. So 1 minus 3 sin square x into cos square x. That is sin power 6x plus cos power 6x. Now you have three terms. This one sin power 4, sin x minus cos x whole power 4, sin x plus cos x whole square, sin power 6x plus cos power 6x. So let us consider the given equation, that is 3 into sin x minus cos x whole power 4 plus 6 into sin x plus cos x whole square plus 4 into sin power 6x plus cos power 6x. Now replace these terms here. So you will get 3 into 1 plus 4 sin into 1 plus 2 sin x cos x plus 4 into 1 minus 3 sin square x cos square x. Now multiplying these terms, 3 plus 12 sin square x into cos square x minus 12 sin x cos x plus 6 plus 12 sin x cos x plus 4 minus 12 sin square x into cos square x. Now clearly 12 sin square x cos square x and 12 sin x cos x will be cancelled. You will get 3 plus 6 plus 4, that is 13. Important problem. Now you can try this problem as homework, but in this problem you need to use these formulas. You have to write this as sin square x whole cube plus cos square x whole cube. So you will get a cube plus b cube. You can write this as a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. And for this one you need to write sin square theta whole square plus cos square theta whole square. Then you will be having a square plus b square, that can be written as a plus b whole square minus 2a. Use those formulas and then you can do that problem as a homework. Now second one, consider 1 plus cot theta minus cosecant theta into 1 plus tan theta plus secant theta. Now the result is going to be 2. Let us multiply these terms. Now first let us multiply with 1. You will get 1 plus 1 into 1 1 plus tan theta plus secant theta. 1 into tan theta plus 1 into secant theta plus, now multiply with cot theta, you will get cot theta plus cot theta into tan theta plus cot theta into secant theta plus, sorry, with minus also, so minus cosecant theta into tan theta minus cosecant theta into secant theta. Multiply with each term. Now you have 1 plus, now see this tan theta into cot theta is again 1. So you will be having 2 here. That means remaining terms will be cancelled. Now write down tan theta plus secant theta plus cot theta plus, now cot theta into secant theta. Cot theta is cos theta by sin theta into secant theta is 1 by cos theta minus cosecant theta minus cosecant theta is 1 by sin theta into sin theta by cos theta minus, now cosecant theta into secant theta, that will be 1 by sin theta into cos theta. Now here cos theta is cancelled, here sin theta is cancelled. So 1 plus 1, 2 plus tan theta plus secant theta plus cot theta plus 1 by sin theta is cosecant theta minus cosecant theta minus 1 by cos theta is secant theta minus 1 by sin theta into cos theta. Now you can see secant theta minus secant theta cosecant theta minus cosecant theta is cancelled. So 2 plus, now write down tan theta and cot theta. Tan theta as